you so much for being here today. We are the Department of Business Affairs and Consumer Protection. Our goal is to ensure that we're empowering local entrepreneurs, anyone that is hoping to one day open their business, or if you're already in business, our goal is to ensure that you understand that there are many resources which are free that are here to support you. Please make sure you visit with them, and again, just collect the information, keep it with you, add them to your LinkedIn, add them to your list of resources that are going to help you in the future.
There are many recipes for success. Here is what I learned. Your competition is constantly innovating, so why aren't you? You started your business because of an idea. You need to be thinking how you can improve on that idea by listening to your customers. With hard work, perseverance, and helping others, you can achieve anything and even turn a failure into a success. Thank you for your time and attention.